Hello everyone. Today we'll understand how to solve any questions using ChatGPT. So here we are searching few UPSC 2025 current affair MCQs question using ChatGPT. So it will provide a list of questions with the options, and after submitting all the correct answers or all the wrong answer, we'll get to know which answer is correct and which one is wrong. So here I have written UPSC 2025 current affair 5 question. I only require 5 question and only provide the correct answer after submitting it. So you can see we got the list of 5 questions in the MCQ format with different kind of options as an answer, and only 5 questions we are getting over here. The first one is, which country recently launched the green credit policy to promote environment sustainability? So for this I'm giving the answer as A, India. Let's go to the second. The second one is the Global Gateway Initiative. Is an initiative launched by which international organization? So World Bank, European Union, United Nations, D, World Health Organization. So the answer is B, European Union. So we are writing it over here, B. The third one is, in which country was the world first hydrogen powertrain successfully launched in 2025? Options are Germany, Japan, United Kingdom or United States. Okay, so over here we are going it with Germany, A. Just stay tuned in the last. I'll also let you know, if you don't know how to type, you can also do it with the voice. So stay tuned till the last. The fourth question is, which Indian state recently became the first to introduce climate budget? Options are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. We are going here with Maharashtra, B. So we have written here B. Fifth one is, International Year of Millet 2023 initiative was launched by which organization? United Nations, World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization or World Bank? Okay, so for this we are going it with United Nations. So you can see over here we can get it. The first answer was wrong, so we got the correct answer is China. So this way you can get the correct answer and which answer you have given. So if the answer is wrong, this is the first one, you got the correct one. Rest all is the correct, but still it will give you which is the correct and it's information too. This is a simple way. Over here we have learned for the one topic and only 5 questions. So this way you can also solve all 200 questions which we get in the exam by putting the timer. You can solve the answer, submit it, you will get all the answer which is correct, which is not, with the information to that particular question. So this is a simple way which you can use the ChatGPT more efficiently for your UPSC preparation. So here we got 4 answer correct out of 5 which ChatGPT has mentioned. Okay, so again I'll be copying the same. This thing I'll be given in the description. You can copy the same or stay till in the last. I'll let you know how you can do it without typing it also. So over here we are going it with information technology, 5 questions. Only 5 we are going it for now. For the video you can increase the number of questions as many as you want, and you can also go it like, once you given the answer you will get to know the once you have submitted your particular answer, you can also get to know whether it's correct or not without writing after submit provide the correct answer. Okay, so over here we have 5 questions. So let's start one by one. After submit it will provide the answer. So over here I'm showing you that voice button. So using that voice button also you can say this particular thing and it will give you the output without actually typing it out. So that's the thing where you don't have to type anything, you can directly get it through your voice. So this way you can use the AI more efficiently for your preparation. If you want to understand like more thing what all you can do using AI. More efficiently you can study without paying anything. So just let me know in the comment section. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.